The field of fiber-reinforced composites is the world's most rapidly growing manufacturing sector. This sector requires two major components, namely resins and fibers. The present lecture briefly explains general manufacturing of resins, while discussing their environmental impacts and recyclability options. Bio-based resins are also briefly introduced in this micro-lecture. Monomers for industrial resins are typically sourced from petroleum, though bio-based alternatives are becoming more common. These are further subdivided into thermoset and thermoplastic resins. Thermosetting resins cure through chemical reactions or heat, forming a rigid, cross-linked structure that cannot be remelted. Thermoplastics, on the other hand, can be softened and reshaped with heat. Synthetic resins are chemically engineered materials, often made from petrochemical sources. Natural resins have traditionally been used in products like varnishes and sealants. These are more environment-friendly, thus allowing sustainable manufacturing. Resin production and use can generate significant environmental impacts. With introduction of regulations tightening around emissions and hazardous materials, manufacturers are under increasing pressure to adopt cleaner and safer alternatives. Eco-friendly alternatives are being vigorously pursued by large producers of industrial resins. This is discussed in next slide. Sustainable resins aim to reduce environmental impact by replacing petroleum-based ingredients, lowering emissions, and improving recyclability. Some manufacturers are moving toward recyclable thermoplastics and biodegradable polymers to cut down on waste. These solutions support cleaner production, safer work environments, and compliance with environmental regulations while maintaining the performance and efficiency that composites manufacturers require. Many modern bio-based resins are designed to match the performance of traditional petroleum-based resins. As a result, bio-based resins are widely used in industries like automotive, construction, and industrial coatings, delivering both durability and sustainability. Recycling resins depends on the types. Thermoplastics can be recycled easily. Thermosets are hard to break and recycle. Bio-based alternatives designed for end-of-life recovery are helping improve the recyclability of resin-based materials. Important web links are flashed on the screen. Stay tuned for future lectures on offer from Technology Education and Mentoring Center. Most of the information for this lecture has been derived from the link shown at the end of the slide.